as Mrs. Claus. Welcome to my Advent Calendar series. Today is December 23rd, which is the 4th Advent, which is the 4th of the 4 Sundays before Christmas. We're almost there. Now we're going to craft with frosted snow globes. I will also use some colorful glitter glue, some sprinkles, some little pom-poms, and cupcake cups. Sprinkles and the cupcake cups come from Walmart. All the rest, I believe, is Hobby Lobby. So, we're going to make our little ornaments look like little cupcakes. So hopefully, once I set them in here, they are quite stable, so I can work with them without holding them. Look at that. Actually, this kind of works. Oh, I need to get some glue. Here we got some glue from Hobby Lobby. I will first, actually let me go. We're not going to keep those on the tree like that. I just want it for stabilizing right now. This goes here and here and there. So, what I'm doing first is adding some glue around the bottom-ish of the globe and stick it straight in here. So this glue can dry while I'm working on the other things. There we go. Next, I'm going to take the toppers off. Should have done this one a tiny bit straighter. Here we go. The next step is to put glitter glue. Oh, I may have to open that. Oh, yes, that needs to come out first. First, we need to take the little safety mechanism out. Now, here we go. Okay, so the point is to get this around the top of my little thingy, like frosting. Now, this one doesn't smear very well, so I'm going to use a brush in a minute to even this out a little bit. But since this takes a while to dry anyways, I'm going to go ahead and put some more on the other ones too. I actually have used glitter glue before to attach pom-poms to pine cones and make them look like little Christmas trees. So I'm going to use a little brush. Here, let's do it this way. Just to even this out a little bit. Make this look a little bit better and less wormy. There we go. I want this to look a little bit like frosting. I think I'd like a little bit more on there. Especially over here. Whoops, I need to take the lid off. Because this is where I'm going to put the pom-pom. Okay, so smear this a little bit. There we go. I think this looks nice. Now we also need to get our sprinkles on there. And I should have prepared a little plate so it's not so messy, but I didn't, so let's see if I can maybe just put a napkin down. Move these back a little bit. Move this up a little bit. Here we go. And now we're going to add sprinkles. Now we'll dab those on a little bit. And then we'll make a especially big blob on this side here, right here, where I'm going to add this. Isn't that cute? And then, of course, we'll add this. And then when we hang it up, we've got a cute little cupcake. I love it. It is so cute. Maybe not the best color combination, but I do like it a lot. Okay, let's work on this one before it gets too hard. There we go. We'll smear the glue around everywhere. It's actually less runny than I feared it would be, so that's good. So I can play with it a little bit longer. I don't have to rush. A little bit more glue over here, and a little bit more here. Now we'll add our glitter, our sprinkles. Nice. And then I'm gonna put the pom-pom right here. Oops. Oops. There we go. And put the topper on. Oops. There's so much going on at the same time here. I think I need to glue the bottom in a little bit more. Or maybe it'll be okay. Okay. Oh no, I need more glue on the bottom. Oh yeah, I gotta do it with left. I'm not a lefty. What do I do? Okay. Let's stick that back in. Bam. Okay. One more. I really do like this. I mean, that is such a cute idea. I just saw a picture somewhere online. Actually, most of the inspirations I'm doing for this advent calendar come from things I've seen years ago and I've always wanted to make, but I haven't. And now that I'm finally making all of these, I'm really excited. Of course, I have no idea where I found those original inspirations because it's been too long. But here they are. Here they're being made. It probably came from crafting websites / Pinterest / just Google Images. And then, you know, I saved some of those pictures on old Word documents. Some go back as far as 2009 of some of those documents. So it's been a long time coming. Okay, bam. Very cute. Actually, I think I want a little bit more frosting showing under here. A little bit more pink showing. I think that's good. All right. That was that. I hope you got inspired. It's so simple and it's so cute. Maybe you can make your own.